Greetings from Houston. It gives me great pleasure to join all of you today for this concert with Padma Vibhushan Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, who is a living legend and will enthrall us with his Santoor performance. As two vibrant democracies having open and multicultural societies, commonalities in culture and shared values, India and United States are natural partners. This part of United States shares a strong connect with India with deepening of multifaceted ties in the areas of trade and investment, culture, education, and growing people-to-people contacts. The presence of a growing and vibrant Indo-American community has led to strengthening of cultural linkages with India. We celebrate major festivals, mark important occasions, and organize several music, dance, and other cultural events. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has recently launched the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav from Sabarmati Ashram, from where Gandhiji began the Dandi March. This celebration of 75 years of India's independence will commemorate our freedom struggle, highlight what we have achieved, promote exchange of ideas and actions for our future, and reaffirm our resolve to jointly address the challenges and commit ourselves for the development of India. The Center for Classical Indian Music Houston is organizing these concerts, bringing together several acclaimed and distinguished Indian musicians as a tribute to Pandit Jasraj. Pandit Jasraj, who was a recipient of Padma Vibhushan, needs no introduction. He was one of the greatest maestros of Indian classical music, blessed with a soulful voice which had both depth and softness. He was also a teacher, instructing generations of musicians. His contributions to vocal music is beyond compare. This concert today is part of the Amrit Mahotsav celebrations of India at 75. I take this opportunity to convey all good wishes to Pandit Suman Ghosh and the Center for Indian Classical Music of Houston, all success for their future activities and endeavors to deepen the cultural ties and promote mutual understanding between our two countries. Thank you.